Hey guys, Gary from DIY Electronics. Wait a minute, I'm a little crooked here. Alright. Gary from DIY Electronics. Today, what I'm going to be doing is a subscriber asked me how to replace one of his broken sensors on a SafeWatch 3000, aka, ADT system. The SafeWatch Pro 3000. Or this is a Vista 20, but this will work on Vista 10, 20, 15, 50. It'll work on most of the Vista series. What they wanted to know was how to replace a broken contact if they only have the, what I call the ADT Dumb Keypad, or the hostage keypad. See, ADT, every time they put in an alarm system, they would just use the dumb keypad so that their subscribers or customers, however you want to call them, could not do any diagnostic. They couldn't add, delete, or anything with this type of keypad. But I'm going to show you how you can delete a bad contact, say a contact got broken or wet or something like that, and you want to replace it. You can delete that contact and then reprogram a new contact in that same zone. Okay, so if you got a broken door contact, maybe it fell off the door and you stepped on it or something like that, or whatever, and you can replace it. And I'm going to walk you step by step on how to delete the broken contact and then immediately reprogram the new contact using just the dumb keypad. And I've got a paper right here all wrote out, so I'll take it, I'll get a shot of it so you can pause and then write it all down. And then there's 2 sheets, so you have to pause it 2 times and then write everything down. But I'm going to walk you through step by step. All right, let me swing you around to the paper and the keypad. Now, what I've got,
fault zone 70.
I've got a motion detector. I'm going to pretend that this is broken, and I'm going to be replacing it. All right.
Fault zone 70.
Oh, that's. Let me hide that so it doesn't catch me.
70.
All right, I'm going to be replacing it.
Fault zone 70.
It keeps on catching me. All right. Oh, it can't see me now. I'm going to be replacing it with a door window contact. As you can see, it does not work. All right, so I'm going to be deleting that motion detector and replacing it with this door window contact. So let me swing you around. As you can tell, I am a professional when it comes to videography. All right, let's see if we can, maybe I can swing this out this way. All right, so let me get that wire out of the way. So that there is your ADT Dumb Keypad. Alright. Now, underneath this paper is, that's a custom English keypad down there. I'm not going to use that one. I'm going to use just this dumb keypad to do the programming. Now, what I'm going to do is, I want to get that right there. Let's see if I can get down far enough. And pause the video and write all that down. Alright. So, let's walk through on how am I going to do this. I got to get this back far enough. Come on. See, it just goes off on its own. I hate to put it at that angle like that. You can't see what's going on. Come on, you stupid thing. Yeah, I might do it. Let me back this up a little bit. Now you can see it. Now you can see it. Alright, so let's put this door window contact. That's the one that I'm going to be installing. I still don't like the way this is going. Alright. Here we go. Now the first thing first part of this is we're going to delete this old motion detector.
Fault zone 17.
Come on. So again, I'm going to get this to trip.
Fault zone 17.
All right, so it's zone 17 that we're going to replace. So right at the beginning, 6321800. Now 6321 is your installer code. It's not the code that you use. I gotta hide that.
17.
I'm gonna hide it inside this. Hide it inside this little pillowcase thing. All right, 6321 is your installer code. That is not the code you use to turn it on and off. All right, here we go. So 6321800. So 6321800. You'll see a number 20. Okay, so the next thing you do is you hit star 56, star 56. The next thing you do is hit star. The next thing you do is the zone number you want to delete. So my zone number is 17. So I hit 17. Then I hit star, 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 00. And then hit star 1. Okay, I'm just going right down the row here. Now it says re-enter the zone number you deleted previously. I know I didn't spell previously right, but you get the gist. So 17. Okay, hit star star. The zone type, I'm going to make that an 01 for a delay door. Then you hit 4 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4. It says trip the new sensor. So let me put this up here. And I'm going to bring the contact down and I'm going to trip it and close it. Alright, it goes beep beep. Alright, so now we go on to page 2. Alright, page 2, after it goes beep beep, you hit 4 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then it says hit 00. And then it says hit star 99. Alright, now you are done. We went through, we deleted the motion detector. I'm going to take the motion detector out of its little bag here. I'm going to trip it. Alright, it no longer works. Now, I'm going to trip the door window sensor that I programmed in its place.
Fault zone 17.
17, same zone as that motion detector used to be.
Fault zone 17. Fault zone 17.
Alright guys, so that is the long and short of it. That is how on a dumb keypad you delete something and how you reprogram something right in the same spot it was in. That's how you replace something. Alright? And that's all there is to it, guys. So again, just follow it exactly. Don't veer off any other direction. Just follow that template exactly all the way down. And you'll be able to replace whatever you want on your system. The key ingredient here is you got to know what your installer code is. If you don't, if you're an ADT customer or no longer their customer, I've got other videos on there to show you how to extract the installer code that ADT and a lot of other alarm companies do not want you to know what it is, because they want to hold you hostage that you cannot add or delete anything off of their system, which is actually your system, but they will not give you that number. You call them and say, hey, what's the installer code for my alarm system? They'll say, well, we don't know. We don't keep records of that. We'll have to send a technician out for $300 and we'll try to get it for you. Yes, notice the key word, try. But while the technician's there, he's going to try to sell you something, and all of a sudden he walks out with freaking counting out $800 bills that you just gave him to replace the door window sensor. All right, guys, subscribe, like, ring the bell, whatever else other trinkets are on my video, just start hitting stuff. Thanks, guys.